Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default location on your Windows 10 computer. So perhaps you like using the maps functionality pretty often. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a default location for that. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on Start one time. Left click on the gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings, or you can search for it in the Start menu, whatever you prefer. And into the settings window you see here, select the privacy tile, and then you want to go underneath add permissions and left click on location. On the right side you want to go in where it says default location. Windows apps and services can use this location when we can't detect a more exact location on this PC. Set default, so go ahead and select that. And now at this point you can go ahead and set a map location on here. So you can set whatever you want basically. So if there's a road, you can go ahead and locate. So then go ahead and set default location, so select that. And then just type in address, city, country, whatever you want, territory, and then it should be able to set the default location from there. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.